If you're a Vegas Movie Studio user, you'll probably have come across the situation where your rendered video has come out half-size. Many new users have experienced this, and the issue has cropped up many times on the user forum. In this short video, I'll explain why this happens and give some simple workarounds to prevent it happening. Welcome to this mini tutorial, my 38th. First, a brief history lesson. Bear with me for a few moments. Prior to the release of Movie Studio Platinum version 15, the developers, that's Vegas Creative Software, decided to introduce a special video track by default. I say special, but it wasn't really special. It was a normal video track with a picture-in-picture effect, sometimes referred to as a PIP effect, applied at track level. Their decision to introduce this PIP track was based on the assumption, rightly or wrongly, that most amateur video editors would want to introduce a picture-in-picture effect somewhere in their projects. As I mentioned, this track was included in the default track layout when the application was launched. Well, this default PIP track turned out to be a bit of a poisoned chalice. Soon after the launch of version 15, the forum started to receive many pleas for help. Many new users were rendering their projects only to find that the resolution of their videos was half of what it should be. The problem was that they were placing their source media onto the PIP track without realizing it. Now, unfortunately, there's no way of eliminating this track to create a new default layout, which would load when the application was launched. However, there are several workarounds that help to eliminate the problem. These workarounds aren't ideal because they rely on the user consciously performing an action after the application is launched, or certainly before the project is saved. Workaround number 1. When the application is launched, open up the PIP effect properties and click the Remove Selected Plugin icon. It's a good idea to rename the track or delete the existing name. Workaround number 2. When the application is launched, right-click on the Track Effects icon and select Delete All. Again, rename the track. Workaround number 3. When the application is launched, right-click on the track header of the PIP track and select Delete Track. If you want to replace this track with a normal track, you can right-click on a video track and select Insert Video Track. Workaround number 4. After eliminating the PIP track, you could immediately save the project as a template to a convenient place, say the desktop. You could then pin it to the taskbar so that it could be easily launched. If you carry out a save as immediately after the launch, the template project, without the PIP track, will be preserved. As I've said, workarounds are never ideal, but it is what it is. I suspect that when, or if Movie Studio Platinum version 18 is released, this PIP track will have been kicked out, hopefully. Meantime, I hope I've given you enough information so you can adopt a workaround that suits you. As always, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll welcome any comments you may have. Until the next time, bye for now.